Did you know that most Americans still haven't explored AI tools like ChatGPT or Google Gemini? And for beginners, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Where do you even start? Which tools should you learn? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm sharing 10 completely free AI courses that are perfect for absolute beginners. Whether you're a student, creator, job seeker, or just curious, these courses will help you understand, use, and even build with AI in 2025. Hit that like button and let's get started. Let's kick things off with a classic. AI for Everyone by DeepLearning.AI on Coursera, taught by none other than Andrew Ng, one of the top minds in the AI world. This course is designed for absolute beginners. No coding, no math, no technical background required. You'll learn what AI is and what it's not, how companies are using AI today, what makes a good AI project, and how to think about AI's impact on jobs, society, and your future. Just head over to Coursera, click Enroll for free, then choose Audit the course to skip payment. Over 1.8 million people have taken this course, and for good reason. If you want to finally understand what AI is and how it fits into your world, start here. Now that you understand the basics of AI, it's time to learn how to actually use it, and that starts with mastering prompts. This free course by OpenAI and DeepLearning.AI is called ChatGPT Prompt Engineering for Developers. You'll learn how to write powerful prompts that get the best results from ChatGPT. Whether you're summarizing text, generating code, creating marketing content, or transforming data. The course covers real-world techniques for summarizing and rewriting content, expanding or shortening text, asking better questions, and understanding how large language models actually think. It's only about 90 minutes long, and it's one of the most practical courses for anyone using AI tools in daily life or work. If you've ever typed into ChatGPT and didn't get what you wanted, this course will fix that. Here's a mind-blowing idea. What if you could build apps and websites without writing a single line of code? Welcome to Vibe Coding, and this course from Replit called Vibe Coding 101 teaches you exactly how to do that. Instead of learning complex programming, you just describe what you want to build, and AI helps you create it. In this free course, you'll learn how to use Replit's AI to generate working code, write better prompts for building software, debug and improve your apps using simple language, and follow the 5-skill framework for vibe coding. By the end, you'll even build a small project, like a national park ranking app, powered by AI. This is perfect for creators, entrepreneurs, or students who want to build fast without spending months learning traditional programming. If you can describe it, you can build it. That's the magic of vibe coding. Okay, so you've learned how to prompt AI and even build simple tools. But what if you could create a team of AI agents that work together like a digital dream team? That's what this course, Multi-Agent Systems with Crew AI, is all about. You'll learn how to create AI agents that collaborate to solve tasks, take on different roles, use memory, tools, and logic, and even manage themselves like a real team. It's all powered by Crew AI, one of the most exciting platforms for building autonomous agent systems. By the end of this course, you'll be able to build an AI that can research a topic, summarize it, write an email, and even launch a customer support bot all by itself. Seriously, if you want to see the future of AI, this course gives you a front row seat. Next up, let's dive into a newer concept that's changing how AI agents talk to each other and work with external tools. It's called MCP, or Model Context Protocol, created by Anthropic, and this course is your shortcut to understanding it. MCP is basically a universal language that helps AI systems connect with other apps, tools, and services seamlessly. In this free course, you'll learn how to build an MCP-compatible server, connect AI chatbots to external services, make your AI faster and smarter by letting it use the right tools at the right time. If you're serious about building advanced AI apps or agents that do more than just chat, this course gives you the foundational knowledge to make it happen. And the best part? It's taught by Anthropic, one of the leading AI research labs pushing the boundaries of safe and effective AI. If you want to take your AI skills to the next level, this next course is a must. Building Systems with the ChatGPT API by OpenAI. This course teaches you how to connect your apps to the powerful ChatGPT model using the API, which means you can create custom AI tools tailored exactly to your needs. You'll learn how to set up the ChatGPT API, automate workflows, build things like customer service chatbots, and integrate AI into real-world apps. This is perfect if you've already got a handle on prompt engineering and want to create something custom and scalable. Plus, it's beginner-friendly. No advanced coding skills required, just curiosity and willingness to learn. Now, let's explore a cutting-edge reasoning model from OpenAI called O1. And this free course will show you how to make the most of it. O1 isn't just another AI model. It's designed to reason and plan complex tasks better than regular GPT models. In this course, you'll learn how O1 works differently from GPT-4 or GPT-4 Turbo, how to write prompts that unlock its full reasoning power, how to plan step-by-step workflows and balance intelligence with cost, and a cool technique called meta-prompting, where O1 actually improves your prompts to get better answers. If you want to level up your prompt writing and build smarter AI workflows, this course is a game changer. Ready to explore Google's powerful AI platform? This course, Generative AI Explorer with Vertex AI, is your hands-on guide to building AI apps using Google's Gemini models. Vertex AI is like a playground where you can experiment, create, and deploy AI-powered applications without hassle. In this course, you'll get to understand how Gemini models work, try out different AI tasks in Google's console, build AI-powered apps step-by-step using Google's tools. Whether you want to create chatbots, text generators, or smart assistants, this course helps you get started with one of the top AI platforms in the world. Plus, it's beginner-friendly, perfect if you want to get hands-on experience with Google's AI tech. If you want to dive into the world of open-source AI, Hugging Face is the place to be. And this free course walks you through everything you need to get started. You'll learn the basics of natural language processing, NLP, large language models, LLMs, how to use Hugging Face's tools to build AI apps with open-source models. The course covers key topics like transformers, tokenizers, and datasets. Plus, you'll get practical experience building projects using real AI models. Whether you're a developer or just curious about AI, this course gives you a solid foundation to explore and create with open-source technology. Last but definitely not least, here's a fantastic free guide from OpenAI: How to Build AI Agents. This is a comprehensive 34-page PDF that breaks down everything you need to know about AI agents, what they are, how they work, and why they're so powerful. You'll learn about the basics of AI agents and how they operate independently, designing and structuring your own agents, building safe and effective guardrails to keep your AI on track. Plus, the guide is super practical. You can upload it to tools like NotebookLM to turn it into interactive lessons, mind maps, or even audio briefings. It's perfect if you want to understand AI agents deeply and start building your own smarter AI systems. And there you have it. All the course links are in the description below, so check them out and pick the ones that excite you the most. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more AI tips and tutorials, and share this with your friends who want to get ahead in tech.